Welcome to Online Cash Hunt. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of podcasting with Podcasting 101, your path to a thriving audio empire. Podcasting has exploded in popularity and for good reason. It's an incredible platform that allows creators and entrepreneurs like you to connect with audiences on a deeper level. I'm Cash Hunter, and I'm here to guide you through everything you need to know to start and succeed in the podcasting realm. So, grab your headphones, take notes if you'd like, and let's embark on this audio adventure together. We kick off this journey with an introduction to podcasting, what it is, why it matters, and the incredible potential it holds for creators and entrepreneurs. Did you know that there are over 2 million podcasts out there and more than 50% of US households are podcast fans? Understanding the demographics of podcast audiences, such as their age groups, interests, and preferred podcast genres, will help you tailor your content to reach the right people and grow your audience organically. Now, it's time to tackle the technical aspects of podcasting. We know the thought of equipment can be intimidating, but fear not. Let me share an example. A great budget-friendly microphone for beginners is the Audio-Technica ATR 2100X USB. It offers excellent sound quality and is versatile for both USB and XLR connections. Additionally, you can set up your recording space with acoustic foam panels and a pop filter to further improve sound quality and reduce unwanted noise. Creating captivating content is the heart of any successful podcast. In creating a captivating content segment, we'll dive into developing a compelling podcast concept that aligns with your passions and resonates with your target audience. Let's take a cooking podcast as an example. If you're passionate about cooking and your target audience loves learning new recipes, you can structure your episodes to include step-by-step recipe walkthroughs, cooking tips, and maybe even interviews with famous chefs for added appeal. One key to podcasting success is mastering the art of hosting and interviewing. Hosting a podcast isn't just about presenting information, it's about connecting with your audience on a personal level. Imagine this. While hosting your podcast, imagine you're having a friendly conversation with a close friend. Be authentic and let your personality shine through to build a loyal following. When conducting interviews, do your research on the guest and prepare thoughtful questions to bring out the best insights and stories. If you've recorded your first few episodes, great job! Now it's time to delve into the world of podcast editing and production. Editing doesn't have to be daunting. Let me show you an example. Using editing software like Audacity or Adobe Audition, you can easily cut out mistakes, add intro music, and insert transitions to create a polished and professional podcast that keeps your listeners coming back for more. The question now is, how do you get your podcast out into the world and heard by the right audience? Here, we'll explore the various podcast hosting platforms and distribution channels available. For example, you can use platforms like Anchor, Podbean, or Libsyn to host your podcast, and these platforms will automatically distribute your episodes to popular podcast directories like Apple Podcasts, Spotify, and Google Podcasts. Don't forget to promote your podcast on social media, collaborate with other podcasters, and engage with your audience to keep them coming back for more. Monetizing your podcast is a significant aspect of building your audio empire. We'll explore different methods of generating income from your podcast. An example of monetization is securing sponsorships from relevant brands or products that align with your podcast's theme. You can also create a Patreon page to offer exclusive bonus content or early access to episodes in exchange for listener support. Remember, it's essential to maintain authenticity and provide value to your audience while monetizing your podcast. As your podcast grows, you'll encounter new opportunities and challenges. In this segment, we'll discuss how to expand your podcast brand and grow your audience through collaborations with other creators. An example would be reaching out to influencers or experts in your niche for guest appearances on your podcast, which can attract their audience to your show. Also, consider guesting on other podcasts to tap into new listeners who share similar interests. Congratulations! You've completed Podcasting 101, your path to a thriving audio empire. Starting and growing a podcast takes dedication and passion, and you've shown you have what it takes. Remember, every successful podcaster began with a single episode. Keep learning, experimenting, and connecting with your audience. With dedication and the right approach, your podcast has the potential to become an empire of its own. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Online Cash Hunt for more valuable content on podcasting, passive income, investing, and personal finance. Share this video with anyone aspiring to start their podcasting adventure. Thanks for joining me today, and until next time, keep thriving in your audio empire.